we didn't come from Neanderthals and all this other crap unless they went out and had sex with them. I don't know if that happened. It probably did, because humans are naughty that way. So anyway, but Saint Germain said we actually were some creations that God created that were perfect. And when we came to Earth, we got dummied down, our DNA got altered, and we became who we are today. Now the Essenes stayed separated, and Mother Mary actually had 24 strands of DNA, and that's why they picked the Essenes and Mother Mary to have Jesus' lineage come in, because in order to do what he needed to do, he needed to be a perfected human. And so he came through that original lineage that still had the 24-strand DNA. And the Essenes kept separate from most of humanity. They did not intermingle or have sex with other humans. And they studied very fervently how to raise their body's vibration by doing initiations and teachings. And I taught about that last year with the initiation temples teachings, and they were very seclusive, reclusive, and they literally tried to teach the other humans, but the other humans were just out of control, most of them in the past, and so it was tough. But anyway, does anybody have any questions? I guess we're going to gather together and do a prayer, so let's do that. Okay. I think I'm going to go ahead. Oh, we'll bless everybody, even on the video. So go ahead. Let's come on in. And there we go. Okay. Does anybody want to say the blessing, or? Okay, everybody's quiet, so I'll do it. Yes, I've been doing most of the talking. I will continue. Okay. Take a big, deep, cleansing breath. Release anything that's not for your greatest and highest good. Breathe in again, a big cleansing breath. Hold it for 5 seconds. Bring in God's love. Release anything that isn't in alignment with God. Breathe in again. The breath of God, the fire of God, the love of God into your heart, your minds, and your souls. And release anything that isn't aligned with the love of God. In the name of the Almighty, I am that I am. And being commanded by the great divine director to bless all the humans on and off planet Earth, we give you all a blessing for your behalf. We bless each and every one of you, even those watching this video. We bless you that the love of God will enter into your bodies and fulfill the law of God, of loving God with all your heart, mind, and soul, so that you can bring that love into your body and love yourself, and then you can love your neighbor as yourself. We bless each and every one of you that your bodies will function perfectly during this time of toxicity, fear, anxiety, and all the problems on planet Earth that we're going through. This is Armageddon, and we are fighting a battle between good and evil. We bless you that you will overcome through using your spirit and your mind and your heart to overcome everything with the love of God. And the love of God will strengthen you. And God brought herbs to the planet to treat all the maladies that God knew we would go through. And these herbs were placed here on the planet, and we were given knowledge about the herbs from God and how to create more vigorous lives, healthy lives, better, stronger immune systems. We bless you that you will use your knowledge of herbs, your knowledge of God's love, your knowledge of bringing in the breath of God into your body to strengthen and make your body more healthy and strong. Make your heart be filled with love so that it converts into a heart filled with the crystalline energy of God and God's love. We bless you that you'll bring the energies of God into your entire body, strengthening your glands, your organs, your systems, and bringing the perfection of the original humans back into your bodies. We bless you that you'll do the 24-strand DNA and go on to 48 strands, 96 strands to perfect you for the 5th dimension so that you'll be ready for your ascension into the crystalline love, light, and plasma of God. We bless each and every one of you that you'll know you are safe, that God is protecting you and watching over us, that the angels, the archangels, the beings of the elements are here to assist humanity and to love on humanity and protect humanity, that the Elohim are here to perfect our bodies and help our bodies, and they will do this if you ask them. We bless you that you will continue looking forward to the day when Christ comes and we all ascend into a higher dimension with him. We bless you with these things in the name of the Almighty, I am that I am, and in the name of Jesus the Christ, also known as Yeshua ben Joseph, and all the other ascended beings of light and love. So be it, so it is. Thank you for being here. And I hope you learned something about Chinese herbs. I'm still learning. I'm new at this stuff, but I'm taking a lot of these, and they do help a lot. So I've been very impressed. Thank you for being here. Yes. Yes. Nice. You know, one I didn't even talk about is the yin. Oh, what's it called? Oh, it's right up there. Let me go look real quick because it helps. Hawthorn helps the eyes, and
or Yin Chow.
Yin Chow helps the eyes and the immune system, and it's antiviral. We always have trouble finding it.
I know.
But Yin Chow and Hawthorn berry is very good for the eyes. So
Here.
there's the Yin Chow. Yeah, it's good stuff. Okay, so I better stop this.